In this video, we're going to learn about polygons on the coordinate plane. So first, let's talk about what a polygon is. A polygon is a shape where the sides are line segments. The sides are line segments. That means that they can't have any curved sides. And this can be from 3 sides on. 3 sides and more. So if we had 3 sides, a shape with 3 sides, we know that that one is called a triangle. If we have 4 sides, we might have a rectangle, we might have a square, and we might also have something like a parallelogram. If we have 5 sides, we would have something like this, or maybe even like that, and those are pentagons. 5-sided figure is a pentagon. 6-sided figure is a hexagon, and so forth. Okay? We can find the perimeter of all these shapes by adding all sides. That's how we find the perimeter. So first, let's take a quick look at example 1. It says, draw the polygon with the given vertices on the coordinate plane. So this one, we don't have to find the perimeter. We're just going to plot the points. So for A, we have 0, 0, and we have to label it A. For B, we have 5, 7. So I'm going to start at the origin. I'm going to go left or right first. So it's positive 5. So we're going to go right to 5. And then we're going to go up or down, positive 7, which is up to here. And we're going to plot the point, which is B. And then we're going to do C, which is 7. So starting at the origin, we're going to go to the right to 7. Then we're going to go up 4 to right here. 7, 4. And that point is C. Then you can draw your line segments from each point, A to B, B to C, and C back home to A. And we know here that we created a triangle. Let's look at example 6, because example 6 wants us to also find the perimeter as well. So we're going to take this one step at a time, and we are going to first plot the point -5, 2. So we start at the origin. We go to -5, left or right first. So we're going to go to the left to -5, and then we're going to go up to 2. So our first point is right here. Okay. This didn't give us a name for each point, so we don't have to plot and say that this is point A, point B. In the next one, we have 1, 2. So we are at 0. We're going to go to the right 1 and then up 2. So our point is going to be right here. In our next point, this one is a little bit trickier. We have -5, 5.5. So we start at the origin. We're going to go to the left to -5 and then up 5.5. So we're going to go up 2, 3, 4. Here's 5. Here's 6. So we want our point to be right in the middle. Right there. And then for the last one, 1, 5.5, we're going to start at the origin. We're going to go over to 1 and up to 5. Here's 6. So we're going to go right in the middle. And also notice that it has to line up with this other point. So it goes right in the middle. Now that we have all 4 points, we can connect our sides. So I'm going to draw nice straight lines in between. And that one. And I'm just going to fix this one to make it a little bit better. Nope. All right. Now that we have the sides, we need to find out how much each side, how many units each side is. So let's start with this longer bottom piece. We're going to count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So since our bottom side of our rectangle is 6 units, we know that our top must also be 6 units, and we could count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's look at our right and left sides. Now this is where it's a little bit trickier. Our right side is 1, 2, 3.5. So I'm going to do 3.5 units, which means our left side must also be the same. 1, 2, 3.5. So like I said in the beginning, to find the perimeter, we must add all sides. Add all sides. So our perimeter is 6 plus 6 plus 3.5 plus 3.5. Oops, just scroll back down. Plus 3.5. Well, let's do a little bit of mental math. I know that 6 and 6 is 12, and I know that 3.5 and 3.5 is 7. And 12 and 7 is 19. So our perimeter is 19 units. And we should use units because we don't know what it is. It could be inches, it could be miles. We're not really sure. On a coordinate plane, we use the word units. We wouldn't just say 19.